guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mari, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on this subtle Valentine's Day makeup look. So this look is definitely a soft glam look with like a Valentine's Day pink twist to it, and all these products that I use in this look are all affordable. So if you guys are interested to see how I did this makeup look right here, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before I start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Okay guys, so we are going to be doing an affordable, soft glam, pink Valentine's Day makeup look. Also, do you guys like my nails? They're from Shein, only $2. Not bad at all. Anyways, so we're going to be doing a pink soft glam makeup look. I did a pink look the other day, but it was more like dramatic glitter. But I was like, in reality, I'd most likely do like a pink soft glam for Valentine's Day. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I already did my brows off camera using my new go-to brow pencil. This is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, only $5. And it's so good. Like, it works just as good as the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, but like a fraction of the price, only $5. So we're gonna jump straight into the eye look. So I have a few palettes out right here from the drugstore. I have a Pixi palette. This is Pixi Hello LA Angel. Looks like this. It's kind of like pinks, but also some neutral shades. And then I have the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette in Sugar High. Yeah, this one is another like soft neutral colors with some pinks, some purples. So we're gonna work with these two palettes. I think I'm gonna start off using this NYX palette right here. Go in with this pink peachy shade using, of course, you guys already know, a Morphe M441 blending brush. So I'm just gonna start by applying the shade into the crease, like so. Just going back and forth. And I'm kind of just gonna flick it out a little bit out here. Okay, so to darken up a little bit, I'm gonna take this shade right here. This is the shade Pretty from the Pixi palette. Using the same brush, and I'm just going to focus that on the outer corner. Packing it on like so, and then blending in a bit. And then go back in with a little bit more of that pink shade from the NYX palette and apply it up a little higher. So now I'm going to take this brush right here. This is by Farrah, number 3 mini tapered blending. And I'm going to take this darker, I would say like burnt orange shade from the Pixi palette. And just focus that on the outer corner to darken it up a little bit more. And then again, go back in with a little bit more of that pink shade. Now for the lid, I think I want to take this shimmery pink shade right here. I'm going to start off by using my finger and just begin to pack it on the eyelid. It's gonna be kind of hard because of my nails, but I'm gonna try my best. So it's kind of hard with my nails, so I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Flat eyeshadow brush, still using that same shade, and just pack it on. And I'm gonna go a little bit higher than my crease actually is, just so when I have my eyes open, you can see a very pretty glow. And then I'm gonna go back into that pink shade once more, and just start to blend it out. So it's definitely a very nice subtle pink glow, perfect for those who want like a little bit of pink but don't want to do too much of like a dramatic look, you know. I live for a cute soft glam. Okay, so I don't really want to do like a liquid liner, so I think I'm gonna go in with this Silky eye pen by Pixi in the shade Bronze Beam, and I'm kind of just going to line where I would do some liquid liner. Let's see how this works. Yeah, because we do just want like a soft look, so I'm just going to line it. Alright guys, so now moving on to some lashes. I'm taking these lashes by the brand Shop Luxe Brat. I'm going to be using the style Kourt. It just fell out. I feel like this is just a nice, pretty, subtle, wispy lash. I don't want anything too dramatic because I don't want it to take away from the subtle glam. So I'm going to be applying these. Alright guys, so I went ahead and applied the lashes. I feel like this is the perfect lash for this look. So now we're going to move on to the face. So I already moisturized my face using my CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is my go-to for like under the makeup. And of course, I also put on some sunscreen because always put on some sunscreen no matter what. This is the Ulta MD UV Clear SPF 46. the best sunscreen ever for your face because it's not greasy and it gets the job done. So for today's foundation, I'm going to use my Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Foundation. I would say use my discount code, but I don't have a discount code with them yet. I should though, because I love their products. So I'm going to be applying this foundation first by putting it on using my finger and then blend it out using a beauty sponge. I'm in the shade FS 3.5. I love this foundation because it's literally only $12 and the coverage is so bomb. Yeah, this honestly gives me like Too Faced Born This Way foundation vibes, but except this is only $12. So yeah, I highly recommend trying this foundation out. So now I'm gonna use this e.l.f. marshmallow sponge to blend it all out. So now that we have the foundation on, I'm gonna move on to some cream contour. I finally like got down the way I like to use a cream contour, because before I would have so much trouble. I didn't know how to do it. Like I would just directly put it onto the skin. It looked too harsh. But finally I figured out a way to get like a very nice nice bronze, I would say. Rather than a contour, it's more of a bronze. So I just take this cream contour stick by Wet n Wild and a Real Techniques buffing brush. I literally just go like this, put some product on the brush, and since we are doing a subtle glam, I don't want anything too harsh. I've been obsessed with this because I realize using less powder gives me a like your skin but better look when using all these cream products. And as the day goes on, your face gets a little dewy and it just makes a very pretty subtle glow. So I've been trying to use less powder products and I'm obsessed. So I'm going to take this bronzer, pat a little bit on the back of my hand so it's not like too pigmented, and then begin to buff the cream. You guys see that? And then literally just start doing it all over. And where I would usually put my powder bronzer, I'm just using this cream product. And then if it's a little too harsh, I'll go in with my beauty sponge and just buff it out. As you guys can tell, it definitely bronzed up my face a bit, but nothing too harsh. Just looks like I have like a tan. And as for the price of this contour stick, it is only $4. Not bad at all. So now moving on to concealer, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. You guys know I love this stuff. Only like $6 or $7. So I'm gonna be using two shades, Medium Peach and Light Sand. So first I applied it like so, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Light Sand and apply that in the inner corner area. I've been doing this new technique like that everyone's talking about, where you highlight the inner corner and then the outer, and it gives you a very lifted look. Sorry, I'm looking in my mirror, but instead of putting it like all right here, it kind of just droops your face. But when you do it this way, it literally lifts the eyes or lifts the face. So I'm gonna use that same beauty sponge. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, my face looks very bright and lifted. Ugh, looks so good. So now moving on to powder, I do have to set like under my eyes because if I don't, they will definitely crease. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade number 10. And I'm gonna be using that same beauty sponge, just make sure everything is set so that it doesn't crease. And then apply that powder under the eyes. And then I also apply it on the mouth area because I do tend to crease around that area throughout the day. Then whatever powder I have left over on the sponge, I'll kind of just tap that all over the face. And then my lips have a little bit of foundation and powder on them, so I'm going to take my makeup wipe and just wipe that off. So I feel like I want a little bit more of a bronze, so I'm going to go into this Wet n Wild contour duo in the shade Caramel Toffee and just very lightly take some of that bronzer and just dust it over the area where I put the cream contour, just to give me some more warmth to the skin. Alright, and then I'm going to take this Morphe M533 brush and take a little bit of that bronzer to bronze up the nose a bit, nothing too extreme, just a little bit of a contour. Okay, so now moving on to blush, I'm going to take this Pixi palette. It comes with a blush, bronzer, and two highlights. And I'm going to take this gorgeous pink shade to use as a blush, obviously. And very lightly because this looks like it's very pigmented. This blush is so cute. So I'm gonna take this highlight shade right here in the shade Blossom and just lightly apply that onto the cheekbones. Now I'm gonna take this highlight shade, it's more of a pink highlight, and apply that to the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna smoke out the lower lash line a bit, going back into the Pixi palette. Take this brown shade right here and just apply that to the lower lash line. And then set my face using my Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. It smells so good. Okay, so now for the lips, I'm gonna take my Kourt Beauty Dark Salmon Lip Liner. Now lastly, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. You guys, I'm obsessed on how cute and like soft this look is. So I'm gonna go fix his hair, put on some jewelry, and your girl will be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the completed Soft Glam Valentine's makeup look. I'm honestly so happy on the way it came out. Definitely the way I imagined. I just wanted some pinks in there, but nothing like too like a hot pink. This is more of like a subtle, peachy, like picnic Valentine's Day date makeup look. That was very descriptive, but I feel like this is definitely a day Valentine's Day glam. So Valentine's Day definitely is approaching, so I'm trying to get all the Valentine's Day content out, all the makeup looks, all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment down below what you liked in the future. Please subscribe, stay bloomy, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.